These are all the little ducks we got there, what, 2 months ago, a month and a half ago? Come on, they're huge. Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone today? Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. I'm Mike, and I'm the guide on this crazy journey that I'm living right now. Oh, so yesterday, off camera, I don't know what my deal is with the mode on this camera. What I need to do is I need to remember to take it out of time lapse when I'm done time lapsing. So I filmed everything yesterday in time lapse. So short recap, and it was nothing super exciting other than I got covered in oil. I oiled all these beams before I get the solar panels on, which I've been letting the goats out last like at 4 o'clock, so they don't roam they don't get a chance to roam too far. So they come up here to see me, I guess. Hey everyone, what's up, Charlie? Nice horns, buddy. Freezer Camp 1, Freezer Camp 2, Freezer Camp 3, Freezer Camp 4. Delilah, you're looking pretty big. Yeah, what's up, Freezer Camp 4? Oh, Maggie, give it a breast. What do you think, Sierra? They're getting pretty roamy. I'm gonna have to get these goats back in. Delilah, the one squatting there, she looks definitely pregnant. Oh man, I hope so. And then where's Betty White right there? The other one peeing, right there. Oh man, I hope she's pregnant. She always gives twins. Alright guys, as you can see, I just got done splitting an entire load of wood, and I'm going to redo the beginning of this because I had it on the wrong mode again. I need to look at that a little closer, but you know, I haven't split wood over a year, I'd say. So this is my rugged split 37 with I changed the oil in it because it's been sitting here at least a year underneath the piece of rubber roofing, so it looks like the day I left it. And but the reason I haven't split any wood for a year is because of this. I have, so there's 1, 2, 3, there's 6 rows across here, and I'd say that's at least 20, 30 feet, 20, 25 feet down there to that tree, right there. So the second tree, not the first tree. So there's 6 rows deep across there. And there was 1, 2, is it 3? No, 4. If I could, well, let's just look here. Yeah, kind of uneven on the top. I always put the, anyway, so this one's 4 deep. that's at least 20 feet long to that next tree right there. And I got the same thing there, 4 deep there, 4 deep there. I got a full IBC tote there. I need one there that's only a quarter full, and I have a full one on the front porch. So I got easily 2 years worth of wood, unless we would get a, you know, we would go full-blown Arctic here, and then I would have to run my wood stove that's upstairs and the one downstairs. I have a really big Kodiak in the basement that will just actually, you can heat the whole house with it. It's that, I mean, you need like welding gloves to get near it, so it's ridiculous. All right, so yeah. So I've split. So normally this is like, I am out of whack here since I haven't split wood in so long. Love this machine, by the way. Did I say that? Love this machine. This thing hasn't been started in over a year. And the battery was still good, but it had been sitting there, so I'm pretty sure, you know, the carburetor had been drained down, or evaporated, I should say. I only run ethanol-free gas in it. So I changed the oil, and it was almost going to start, and the battery kind of died. And I just give it one pull, and bam, started. So that Raven engine is the same as a Predator. So yeah, and Predator is the company that was manufacturing all the Hondas, small engines for Honda. So that's why Raven, or Predator, is so similar to Honda, because it basically, you know, copied them after their contract ran out. But it didn't take me long here. I don't know, half hour or something, you know. And I'm not, honestly, I've been running this thing like half throttle, so I'm not trying to split wood to make money. This is basically, I need to get all this split before it rots, and then I can move on to the new stuff over there. So, but I think what I'm going to do, just for the ease of, is get the skid steer back up here and just move this wood pile, because this is a pain in the butt. I need to be able to back in here. I can back right up to this thing and just load right into it. So look at this. You guys drank 20 gallons of water last night. 20 gallons! You act like I don't water you. Morning, piggies! Morning, piggies! What's up there? Holy smokes, you're big. Yes, you're getting huge. So are you. Hello. Hello. How are ya? Huh? How are ya? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, your nose is all disgusting. How much food do you have in here? A good bit. I'll move it forward for you. Hey, aren't you coming in? I know I'm late and all. Jeez, you're that mad at me. Huh? assume the position.
Oh.
Last one! Last one!
Woo!
Yep.
Down a little. Up a little. Well, or just leave it there, whichever you want to do.
Yeah, that looks good to me, honestly.
Oh. What is up with this one?
Get the step stool.
Ooh, there's a wasp nest on this one.
I'd say it's probably an old one.
Thought I would know.
It's a squishy one. Two wing ones. That's it.
Looks nice. Very nice. Ouch.
There it is. A little over, well, there's 11 of them. Is that right? No, 22. 22 at, let me see what these are. What are they rated for? What is that? I can't read it. It's upside down. I don't have my glasses. What's this one say? I don't have my glasses. I think they're 240. I want to say they're 240 watts. Eight amps. 250 watts. 250 watts. So what is that? I'm not doing that math. 22 times 250, so the other ones are 240s.
5,500. No, those ones are bigger.
Now
Those
these
are the
replacement.
Trinas.
Yeah, these are the Trinas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
500.
What are you two doing stalking those chickens?
I just did a short. What are you doing, Hunter?
All right, well, I'm going to call it a day. Couldn't have did it without the wife, though. I mean, we only had 4 up there when we started. So she was an immense help today.
Glad to help, honey.
So.
Always glad to help when I can.
Well, I'm going to end the video here.
And crossing off a huge project.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're crossing off the big part of it anyways, because we got to dig a ditch, put some pipe in the ground, pull some wires. So.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, because digging holes around here is easy. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, or actually we'll see you in a couple days. And hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and give us a comment.
Thanks. Bye.
See ya. Bye.